All right, in this video, I'm going to cover the 3 most important qualities to look for when vetting a future partner. Now, these are essential. Now, what do most people look for? They look for things like chemistry, looks, attractiveness, money. Are they stable in their life? All this stuff is important, right? But after 7 years, 15 years, 20 years, that stuff matters less than the most important stuff I'm about to talk about, all right? So number 1, when vetting a future partner, you want to look for, do we have enough shared values to be friends, like best friends, partners for a very long time? What do I mean by this? Shared values like, well, if one of you is religious and one of you is not, that's not shared values, and that's going to be problematic over time. If one of you is into pro-vaccine and one is anti-vaccine, that could be a deal breaker, right? If one of you wants to live near the ocean and one of you likes mountain life, that's potentially a problem. If one of you loves pets and the other one hates animals, that's going to be a problem. Okay, so shared values are, we have things that we like to do together. We go to concerts, we do sports, we love art, we are history buffs, we love dancing, we love travel, all right? These are the kind of things that become glue over time, are your values, the things that you have in common. Now, you don't want to have everything in common. You want to have your own separate life also. So I'm not talking about you're the same. You want to have an overlap in a Venn diagram where you have really strong values that are shared. Number 2, the second thing you want to look for when vetting a future partner, are they willing to learn how to work through conflict with you? Ooh, that's right. I can't tell you how many people and how many marriages and how many partnerships fail because one or both people will not work through conflict. They don't know how. They blame themselves, they blame their partner, and they don't go to therapy, they don't do coaching, they don't learn, and it becomes a real massive problem. Huge problem, all right? So you want to ask this person, hey, are you willing to work through conflict? Like, because we might get into it one day. Are you willing to go to therapy? Are you willing to read a book? Are you willing to apply yourself? You know? Okay. And then the third most important thing when vetting a future partner is during that conflict or afterwards, can they take responsibility for their part in a fight or a disagreement or distance or a disconnection? Can they say to you out loud, looking at you, I raised my voice, I was kind of a jerk, I was late for our date, I blew you off, I prioritized someone else and I didn't prioritize you, I have an addiction to porn or alcohol and I'm getting that there's an impact on you. This kind of behavior is really good. You want to be with someone because you're going to get into stress with this person. You're going to get in conflict. You're going to have challenges together. And you want to be with someone who says, I have a part. Can you imagine being in a relationship with someone who's like, it's all your fault? Not good. Okay, that's crazy making. And people actually do find these people, strangely. But you deserve to be in a relationship where you take responsibility for your part in a fight, your partner takes responsibility for their part in a fight, and you learn how to work through that conflict over time like a team. All right, that is what you want to look for. So to summarize all 3 of these, the most important quality, if I had to summarize, the most important quality is someone who's willing to do the work and put in effort required to have a successful long-term relationship. Look at anything successful in life, from a sports team to a band to a business. Those people work hard. They don't sit on the bench and hope someone else does the work for them, right? So you want someone willing and able to do the work required to have an awesome, thriving, beautiful partnership over time. Okay? Excellent. Hopefully this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you'll be seeing a lot more videos from me soon.